How to fix pinned comment not showing on your TikTok videos. So go ahead and open your TikTok application, proceed to Profile tab, and choose a video with a comment. Play it, press the comment that you want to pin. Hold it, hold it long to check if you have the option to pin this comment. The pinned comment option should be on the top among all of the settings. Now, if you don't have it like me, we have to contact TikTok. Go back, click on the three lines on the top right corner, go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you see Report a Problem, and write a short statement that you need the option to pin a comment. After 2 to 5 business days, TikTok should reply to you and give you this feature. So that is how to fix pinned comment not showing on your TikTok videos. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.